Hi guys, how are you all? So today I'm going to share with you another video. So you might be thinking that why I am not coming up with any singing videos now. Actually my video started with a haul video and all. And because of this lockdown, I took an opportunity to show even my singing skills and all. That's why I thought that I'll be doing singing videos and everything, and even I'll be doing my haul videos because I can't forget my haul videos as I have started my channel with haul videos, and I know most of you are also like waiting eagerly to see the haul videos and all of you are very much into it. So today I bought another haul, and that is a Wadi haul. So I'm going to show you from Wadi products and all what all I got and all. So according to me nowadays, I think we should encourage more and more Indian products and all. Those are like Ayurveda, those are like herbal things and all. So we should concentrate more on Indian products. And because of this thing, I thought that why not encourage Indian products and why not showcase their products and all. So today I came with the Wadi haul and all. So let's get started, guys. So in Wadi is a very much very good means like herbal products and all. So I got some soaps from Wadi that I am going to share with you, and these are like very good soaps, right? I'm really telling you. So because I have already used it, and I am telling you from my experience that it's a very good product, guys. You should go for it. So I'm going to show you some of the soaps that I got from Wadi. So this is the one that I got, and that is for Wadi Herbals Loyal Indian Kush soap. So these are all like handmade soaps with essential oils and all. So this is the one that I got it, and I am very much happy with all of this. And even I used two of the soaps from this, and I should say really I'm very much happy with the results. And also I even tell you like you should go for it. And this one is the another one that I got, that is refreshing lemon and basil soap. This I used it, guys, and you must say it smells so good, like your entire your entire bathroom will be smelling like anything, and you will be getting like those who have anxiety and all with the smell and all, it just goes away. I really like this one. So the other one is anti-acne soap, that is becalming tea tree. So you might know that tea tree is very much good for like acne scars and everything. So I got it for acne and all these things, and I must say that I'm very much satisfied with this really, and I am using this. And I must say that these herbal products and all, we should encourage more and more, and these are really very much good, like as I am using it and telling you guys, it softens your skin and gives you a glow, and it is very much good. I just really love it. So this is the one that I got it. And the other one I got, that is saffron soap, that is handmade with essential oils and all. This is the other one that I got it, guys. This is also really very good, and the smell is really like saffron is also very good for your skin. Like it what to say, like it brightens your skin, it gives a glow on your skin, and it's a very good for your skin, saffron essential oils and so on. So this is the one that I got it. And the other one that I got is alluring neem and tulsi soap, that is for anti-aging therapy. So this is one is the other one that I got it. And really I must say, from small onwards, when I was like my mom used to give some homemade remedies and all, I just used to take bath with neem oil and everything, and I really used to get means my skin used to feel good, my hair used to feel good and all with neem products and all. So I'm very much satisfied with this. So guys, you can also go through this product, guys. It's really a very good thing. So other thing that I got from there is the papaya scrub gel, that is with honey and saffron. We can see it. Papaya scrub gel with honey and saffron. Their small particles are there of papaya seeds and all, and honey is mixed with that. And really the scrub is really very good, because like it gives a smooth and flawless complexion. This curve is the perfect combination to clear and soothe the texture while removing the tan and lightening and brightening the skin tone. Like it has ingredients like pure papaya, organic honey, steamed distilled saffron extract, and like pure papaya extract, aloe vera gel. This is like a very, these are the things like which are in nature, and like it's a very good thing that I got it, and I just really love it because I have used it even for my body scrub also. I use it and really it just like a brightens your skin. It gives a very smooth texture to your skin, and I just really love it. So this is the one that I got it from there, and I'm just really loving it, guys. So this one, the cost is around like 115 and all. It is very reasonable, guys. You must go for it, and you can see the results and all. So this is the other one that I got it. And the other that one I got, actually I got two of them. Uh, this papaya scrub, I got two of them. And this one is the shower gel of like luxurious saffron. As I already used the saffron this soap and all, so it has the same smell and everything, and I know it will be really very good for the skin because I have already used it. It gives a very flawless skin. It gives a brightening texture, and it soothes your skin, and it gives a very soft feeling after taking bath and all. You feel refreshed and you feel very good, energetic and all. So this is the one I'll really say that it is a very good product, and the price is around 200 rupees, guys. Just see this one. I really like this product. This one is the shower gel that I got from there. Apart from that, I got another one, that is Wadi Herbal White Radiance Moisturizer with mandarin extracts. As you might know that mandarin is very much good for skin, as it contains vitamin C and all, and vitamin C is very much good for your skin and all. It brightens your skin, and it gives the tan and all is removed from skin. So this is the one that I'm using as a moisturizer and all, and it has a very very good smell. I must really say it has a very good smell, and I really love it, guys. So like this dual action formulation effectively lightens your skin tone while deep moisturizing it, and it has vitamin C rich mandarins, externally lightens the complexion. On the other hand, the silk extract works from the inside by controlling the production of skin darkening pigment, melanin, and together they grant you a like a softer, smoother and fairer complexion. It controls silk extract controls melanin production. So these are the thing that is over there. As I told you that vitamin C is over here, and vitamin C is very good for your skin and everything. So this is the one that I got it, and I am very much happy with it, and the price is around 185 that I got. Actually I got all this from Amazon and all, so they were giving some discounts and all in all this product, so I got it and I'm really loving it. So this is another product that I love it, guys, and it's really very good. So this is the other one that I got it. Oh sorry, I even forgot to share you another soap, that is a sandal soap, and it has essential oils of sandal soap and all, and I just really love it. Just see, look at it, guys. It's really very beautiful. I just really love it. So this is the other one that I got it. And apart from that, I got like 3 packs of like anti-acne cream of Wadi. Okay, So this like anti-acne came from Vadi, and it is like you can see it has like clove, neem, and orange extracts. So like I got it. And its net weight is around 30 grams and all. So it is very good for your like blemishes, for pimples, acne, and it unclogs pores and prevents blackheads and prevents future acne eruptions, grants clear and smooth skin. As you can see, I have used one packet of it, because sometimes even I during this hot season and all, during this season and all, I get some acne, and also I have used half of it, and now you can see the result of my skin. And also this is the one that I got it, and yeah, it comes like this in 3 packets and all, and it is really a very good product. I must really recommend it to all of you, really. So this is the one that I got it, and like it kills bacteria, unclogs and shrink pores, kills acne causing bacteria, removes excess sebum, and reduces oil and shrinks pore, fades, and it even fades like acne marks and all. And this is a very good thing that it fades acne marks. So this is the one that I got it, and I'm very much happy with it. And the last thing that I got, guys, it's a very interesting product that I'm going to show you, and that is Vadi under eye cream, and it has like almond oil and cucumber extract. So as you might know that cucumber really relaxes your eyes, and it also means removes the dark circles, and also it has the extracts of almond oil and cucumber extract. So like it comes in 3 packets, like same like acne thing, the which I showed you, like in 3 packets and all. So it has like under eye cream and all, and I use it, I don't use during daytime and all, I use it only during night time. Whenever I go to sleep, I put this under my under eye, and I just go to sleep with it. And really, even after wearing my glasses and all, I don't get any like under eye dark circles and everything. And these are like herbal products, guys, and nowadays we should encourage more and more Indian brands, more and more Indian companies, so that our country can grow and all, because we are now facing pandemic and all. We have to improve our economy, we have to improve our critical condition of our country. So I should say that we should encourage all these Indian products, all these herbal products, all these Ayurvedic products, so that we can be like self-reliant as our honorable prime minister has said. We should be like self-reliant, we should be like we should support Indian products and all. And this is the thing, Vadi products, that I wanted to show you, and I wanted to do a haul. And definitely one more thing, I know those who are interested in singing video and all, I'll be definitely sharing this video very soon, because in last few days I was not doing so much well and all. But it happens, sometimes there is a low and sometimes there is high, like it keeps on changing, because you know that the life keeps on going. There are up and downs in life, but we have to be stronger enough so we can face with it. And and it goes with health, and it may be and everything else. It might go with your mental health, it might go with your physical health and all. So I want you all to stay positive and be happy, guys. And please, if you like this video, do subscribe this channel, please like this video, please put your comment down below, and see you until my next video. Bye guys, see you.